right, good morning, traders. Welcome to the mini Thunderdome. Today is January 24th, 2023. Hope everyone is doing well. Good morning. Yes, I'm back. Still don't feel 100%. Haven't looked at the market at all since Wednesday, so I'm a little bit out of it. So I'm going to take it easy today. Let's see what happens here. Market did a big move yesterday. So, yeah, quite impressive. All right, let's get down into some numbers here. All right, where is it? Here we go. Okay, so we have two reports, one at 6:45, so I would be careful. Don't bell and trade. We got flash service PMI, and then at 7 p.m., obviously, these are Pacific Coast time. There's manufacturing index. POC moved from 44 down to 27, and then we have resistance at 50 and 64, then support at 20 and 4,000. We already did a low of 12. I have a feeling that 4,000 will hold, but we may tag that. But if we break that, we don't want to break is 39.90. If we break that, then we may see it go all the way down to the 50s, 39.50s. So our tug of war line on the upside is going to be 40.52, and then on the downside is 4,000. Well, actually, let me fix this. It's going to be 4,000 and then dash 39.90. Oh, all right. Good morning. Obrigado. Okay, let's take a look at scenarios real quick. Okay, scenario one is to go up to 40.35 and fail from there. And then down, we don't know. Oops. Scenario two is to go and work our way down all the way to 4,004 and then back up. So, choppy day or imbalance. So, a choppy day is known as an imbalance day. Buyers and sellers are agreeing in price. Sorry, my voice a little rough still, but can't help it. And then scenario three is working our way down, but breaking the 4,490. And I don't have a scenario for a long. I'm not, from what I've been, from what I've been looking and seeing, I do not see us pass settlement, which is 35. If we do have our targets. So we have our 51, 56, and then 72. So we do have targets to the upside, but I just don't see it happening. All right, so that's all I have as far as the opening. I suggest if you're going to take a trade, waiting at least till 15 minutes after, but it should also be after manufacturing. With all this, issues with economy, manufacturing is an issue. It's one of the things that keeps the economy going, right? So I would wait. But if I see anything, I'll call out, and then it's again at your own risk. I'm so out of it that I don't even do my disclosure. So if you follow any of my entertainment trades, you're doing so at your own risk. I'm not liable for any losses or damages to live accounts, evaluations, PA, or prop accounts. All right. Hope everyone took advantage of the Apex sale that ended last night. 80% off, 80% off till you pass is an incredible deal. All right, guys. Market is opening up in 4 minutes. I'm going to go grab some hot tea real quick before it opens up. See if I can fix my throat real quick. All right. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Good morning. Good morning. All right. The water is boiling. So if you are thinking of where is the camera? Of taking a trade right at a bell, look for a bounce. There could be a bounce from either 16 or 12. Okay. These are poor structures here. So let's see how this area reacts, but it could just launch all the way up to 35. But again, I would wait. I wouldn't do anything until at least 6:45. Excuse me. Yeah, quite an interesting day yesterday. Absolutely insane, huh? I had an appointment yesterday and I didn't bother to take a look at the market. I was a little better yesterday, but just still pretty down. But yeah, today's gonna be interesting also. So I definitely think it's gonna be imbalanced day, but we're right now, if we open where we're at, we're gonna be out of value. So either the market is gonna stay out of value, meaning go short right out of the gate and break the 4,000, or it will go back into value. Value starts at 21. So right here is the bottom of value. Top of value is 50. Okay, so that's also something to watch for, is how it reacts at 21. Is it gonna fail? So there could be a short from here right at the open. So if you're a bell and trade, so look for a long either at 16, long at 12, or a short at 21. So any of these right here. But again, I would wait. All right, I'm gonna go check on my water. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Um, Oscar, I'm not. I don't live trade, so I'm not gonna live trade my own trades. I am not sure. How is the sound now? Oh, that sound looks. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Let me know how the sound is. If that's any better. All right, guys. Here we go. Best of luck, everybody. Let's see how it pans out. All right. Thank you. What's up, Pete? All right. Perfect. Yeah, I think I have a feeling I may have gotten COVID. I should have done a test, but I was lazy, not feeling well. I didn't want to leave the house. I should have had my wife gotten one of those home tests, but yeah, whatever. It's done. All right, here we go. We're gonna open up around 17, low is 12. So again, let's see how it reacts at 21. There it is. Best of luck, everyone. Ah, look at that. Already filling in. So it may go all the way down to 05. Let's see how it reacts here at 12. So this was way too quick. Take a long here, but there may be a long opportunity at 12. So first target hit. Volume is very high. And there it is. Okay. So, yeah, I wouldn't go long. A lot of interest at 11, at 12. I'm sorry, 11 and 10. But this could be a short opportunity here. I would be careful, but this could be a short opportunity. But there's looks like there's an iceberg waiting to get filled at 16. So high risk trade, but this could be a short all the way to 05. But I wouldn't do anything. Oh, and they pulled the iceberg, so this could be a short all the way to 05. Yeah, if you go short here, obviously we could put a stop at 20. Market is negative, but Delta opened up. It's positive. So the ETH is positive, but the RTH is negative. All right, so the market opened up at 18. Ah, it's going to tag that 21. So there could still be a short here, but how long can you last with your stop? Obviously, you got to be above 20 or above 21. So, got to be very under leverage. That's why I said don't bell and trade. It's going to be a tough opening. Yeah, you got to have your stop above the value low of yesterday. And then we do have the overnight low, which is 22. My overnight low is I usually count it before 6 a.m. There you go, wise men. Good for you. Yeah, there's gonna always be opportunity there. You know, always, always. You don't have to bell and trade. So this whole area here, I think it's an area of interest of a fail right here. So this is a tug of war area right there. Oh, so if it could clear 13, the short is still live. This is a tug of war area right here. If it could clear all of this right here, it's going all the way down to 0506 area. So a 10-point trade, but you risked already 5 points on a stop. So yeah, not a great trade. Oh, the target is hit. Let's remove that. Target hit. Good morning. Thank you. It looks like it's having. Oh, and here 1,000 iceberg just hit. So is it a buy or is it a sell? I think it's a sell. I think I want to test 4,000. I think they want to test 4,000. Let's see how it reacts. If it goes up, it cannot go above 17. Needs to stop right there. A thousand iceberg hit at 1250. It looks like it could be a solid trade. Come on. Let's see how it reacts at 10. A lot of interest at 03. They have a hot knife and make another solid low. Right, be careful with a pullback. It could be a pullback with this new low all the way up to 21. It needs to stop at this area here. Goes any higher, it's a pullback all the way up. All the way back up here. Yeah. Another iceberg just hit a 500 at 1375. So this could be an add-on here if you're inclined. You could add more. But we need to make a new low. We gotta break this and make a new low. Otherwise, it's going all the way. If we can't make a new low, it's going all the way up to 2150. So if you're inclined for long, this is the long. So the key here is to make a new low. Otherwise, this short is dead. Volume has lowered some. It's struggling to make a new low. Be careful if you're short. If it can't make a new low, those icebergs were buy. So that's 1,500 in total. So far it's looking like scenario 2. Here we go. Oh, new low. New low. Now they're adding interest at 05. We still need to make a new low. That was a very poor new low. Be careful if you're short. That was a very weak new low. It was only what? 2 ticks? Is that what it was? Yep. 950. Yeah. 2 ticks. We need to make a hot knife new low. So now it can go all the way up to 17. Pullback is to 17. Again, if we can't make a new low, it's going to go all the way up to opening price. Good morning. And there it is. I think it's going to go up to opening price. Yeah, there it is. The key was that shitty new low. That was the key. 2 ticks, very weak. All right. Let's see if it holds here or if it tags 21. Yep. Let's see how it reacts. We have 2 minutes. Yeah, that was the key. It was a shitty new low. It didn't hot knife. 2 tick new low. That was a clear pullback. I hope I gave everybody a warning on that. If you're bell and trading. Yeah. And look at volume too. So there was a volume spike. It was only a 2 tick new low, followed by a volume spike, pullback. And it went straight through this area right here, which is obviously a resistant area, went straight through. So it may want to tag the upside first before we see that 4,000. So all right. Oh, I forgot to turn my squawk box on. Let's see. Squawk box. All right, here we go. 1 minute on that report. Oh, look at that. Surprise rise on manufacturing. That went straight right to 21. So you see how it rejected that 21? So next report is in 15 minutes. Let's see how if it stops here at 25. It looks like I'm getting a warning signing here on streaming. If I lose connection, I'll log back on. I'm getting a slow streaming warning sign. Let me know if you guys are getting any choppy video. It looks like it wants to tag that 35. So this could be a long opportunity all the way up to 35. We may have a long here all the way to 35. If it could break this right here, our target is 35. Or even as high as 38. But again, there's a report coming out in 10 minutes. Just wait. So Delta is up to 2,000 on the ETH. RTH, almost 1,000. It's looking like I thought it would. A choppy day. So we have a gap all the way to 35. That was settlement. Actually, I forgot to draw that. 35. So all of this is all gap. It's all gap. All right, so now let's see how it reacts here at value low. So the long is still valid. Yeah, so it's still looking like scenario 2, but instead of stopping at 09, instead of stopping at 05, it stopped at 09. Well, the target is either 35 or 38 on the long. Yeah, not a fun day to be trading. Thank you, Joseph. So let's see how it deals with 31. It has to hot knife 31. If it does that, it's going to go straight to 35 or to 38. So I guess those icebergs were by icebergs. I got fooled. See, that's why you can't trade icebergs. You never know. You never know. So the iceberg hit where? Where was the icebergs? Well, one was at 13 and the other one was at 12. So it did a small pullback, new low, and it launched. So they were all by icebergs. All right, a lot of interest at 35. There are 234 orders waiting at 35. So it has to hot knife 31. Overnight high is 41 and a quarter. All right, first IB almost done. If the long is still good, this needs to be all support. So if you're not long, this could be either your entry or an add-on. You don't want to see a 22 if you're long. Wow. Look at that. That's momentum there. We're at the bottom here. Needs to hold. Yeah, that was straight momentum. Yeah, that was very weird. It hit no stops, no icebergs, and immediately it failed at 30. And there's nothing really at 30. Wow, look at that pullback. Looks like iceberg at 16. Right, if this can't hold here, longs are done. If this can't hold, longs are done. Wow, what a fail. Absolutely insane. Thank you, Jay. Wow, that was a lot of momentum. That's quite odd. No stops, no iceberg. Before the top of the hour report. Very unusual. I guess we're going all the way down to 05. So now, because of this move, we have all of this is all poor structure. Right. So either it will keep going down or it may want to pull back to 16. If it does, there could be a short opportunity from here. So there could be a short opportunity from right here. But it may want to also clear this and go all the way up to opening price. So this is a high risk trade. You need to have your stop. If you go short, you need to have your stop above 20. So you need to be under leveraged. You got to be under leveraged. It may still want to test this area here because of this huge move. So if you're under leveraged, could have a stop anywhere up here. Yeah, not a fun day to be trading. So if this holds right here, solid short. Here comes the sellers. Got a hot knife into a new low. Hot knife. Got a hot knife 10 and then a new low. And there it is. Boom. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, oh 05. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. And there it is. Target. That was a good little trade. Hope somebody took that. That was a solid little trade. Solid little trade. Woo! Thank you. Starting to feel better. Yes. So, things to pay attention to. That weak low that we had on the first half of the IB, that was a clue. Went all the way up. I mean, I don't know why it fell from here. It could still be, a action. I mean, a reaction because of manufacturing. Was it manufacturing, the first one? Can't even remember. It was, I think it was manufacturing. No, it was PMI. Yeah, it was. Okay. It was PMI, flash service PMI. So this could have still been a response from that, but I think it's very odd. But either way, so imbalance day so far, bounced off of 05. So be careful with if you're still short. I mean, all of this is all poor structure. It can still be going, but I would look for. So if you want to keep going, you could still keep going, but I would be careful with a test of this tug of war line here. But yeah, I'll would flash PM. I thank you. So yeah, I think it's gonna do a little pullback here, and this could be another entry to a short to go all the way down to at least test 4,000. If it breaks 4,000, we're going to go down to 90 or 87. We don't want to see a 17. If we see, well, it's not that we don't want to see. If you're short, you don't want to see a 17. Now we do have all of the support structure all above, so it may want to fill this. I think it's early, but trading is random. You never know. So if this can hold here, this could be the next leg down to go to 4,000. But you got to have your stop above 18. Actually, your stop needs to be anywhere above 18 or 20. But this could be the next leg down here. So we need to hot knife 08. So if it's a balanced day, this is the outside in. We're at the top of the box. If this doesn't hold, we're going all the way up to 35. The last chance on the stop is right here. Negative 20 points. Wow. This move here added 3,000 delta. That's a lot. Yeah. Be careful if you're short. That's a lot of delta. Yeah, it looks like it's going to go and fill the port structure. Be careful if you're short. This actually could be along right here, all the way to fix the poor structure. But it would be, you're right at the mid, high risk trade. But if you're inclined, this could be the entry, but the short is still alive as long as it doesn't break 20. If you're not on a trade, I would just sit in my hands because you're right at the mid. But if you're inclined for long, this is the entry here. Especially if it breaks 20. Wow, look at that. Wow. Yeah, that was the entry. Oh my god. That was insane. As I called it, it moved. Wow. What a move. Yeah, it was showing signs. So it went and fixed that poor structure in one shot. One shot. Boom. Yeah, quite a move, huh? Hope somebody got that. All right, guys, I'm going to be leaving in 15 minutes. So is it going to keep going and finish Pac-Manning the gap, or is it going to go and so this move here now it's looking like it was fixing the scene of the crime. So now we may have a short here to go back all the way down to 17 or to 15. But high risk trade because of this move up had momentum. Delta is positive, but the market is negative. So this could be a trade all the way down to here. And you could have a small stop either at 24 or 26. This move up right here has a lot of sell pressure right here. And it failed to finish the poor structure. So look for a short, at least to 18 or all the way down to 15. You're welcome, Carl. And there it is, the 18. Was that 1850 a hit? 1875. If it can't pass this, this is going to be a pullback to go and finish. And there it is, 18. Another little scalp down. Now it can go all the way down to 15. And there it is, 1575 it hit. So another 6 point trade. I'm feeling better. Thank you. Not 100%, but I'm feeling better. All right, so it didn't quite do a 15, so this could be the extension up, but be careful. Be careful. If you are still short from 23, money management time. So things to look out for. Delta is positive. Both RTH and ETH. We still have poor structure above, open gap. If this holds, we are going all the way up to 38. So if you're short on the scalp, either stop to entry or just hold on and be ready to take a full hit on your stop. So this could be a really nice trade, 15-point trade. If it breaks, it needs to break this area right here. If it hot knifes through this area here, but the short is still alive as long as it doesn't break 23. Or this could still be an insane trade all the way down to 39.90. So from 23, but I would be careful if you are short. If you're short, again, money management time. If you're thinking about going long, you could put a stop under 15. Yeah, Oh, it looks like the short's still good. Oh, we just hit a stop at 1350. It was 1,000 contract. Right. This could still be the long, and target would be 29. 29 target. So this looks like an ABC. ABC long up. If we see a 20, it's the long. That'll be a really nice trade. 15 pointer. Yeah, be careful with shorts. So longs need to hot knife 24. It could be, yeah. It could go there for sure. So for longs, this needs to hold right here. All of this needs to be support. All right, guys, I'm leaving in 2 minutes. So if you're not long, this could be the entry, but you have to have your stop underneath 14, or this could be an add-on. You want to see a 24. If it can't break this right here, the long is done. So if you didn't exit here on that short, be careful. Especially if we see it pass 21. I called a short from 23 to 15. Actually went down to 14. And I just called a long from 15 all the way up to 29. All right, guys, I just want to see if it breaks this. If it does, I'm out of here. So IB stat is on. So if it doesn't break IB, which right now is at 30, is it 30? It's 30.75. If it doesn't break that, then there could be a short opportunity all the way down to 4,000. So keep an eye on that. All right, guys, I'm done. It looks like it may not go. All right. Hope I was able to help you guys out. This is all pure entertainment. Thank you very much. If you haven't given me a thumbs up, I would appreciate one. All right, guys. And is there anything happening tomorrow that would keep me from trading? Let's see. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday already. God. Oh. So there's a bunch of reports out of Canada at 7 a.m. Yeah, looks like tomorrow could be a good day to trade. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Best of luck. So again, look for a fail at 30. If it makes a new IB high, it's going to go all the way up to 38. So you want to look for fails at 30, 35, and 38. All right, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you live in the Thunderdome.